And here is a safety device. When you weld the metal, and you have to clamp here or touch the weld metal. Like this. After the lead beam is coming, right now I can show you. 可以看见啊。Here with the wire. And the wire moves very smooth. And you can see the wire, the result, welding result. Okay, and you can try to weld here. 把那张纸拿过来。Now you can weld this side. And due to we used the air compressor, so if you used the argon gas, the welding result with white color, perfect. Okay, and after we can use another one to weld. We can use weld here.